Sprinkler Guy Jerry, leading irrigation solutions. Smart Wi-Fi sprinkler timer. Controllers installed with up to 6 zones for $8,000. The Rauchio, 3 smart sprinkler controller with Wi-Fi capability installed for $349. Also, the Rainbird Arc 6, installed for $349. Also, pop-up 4-inch sprinklers, a case of 20 installed for $700. Welcome to our services. Basic inspection service, $99. The purpose of a lawn sprinkler inspection is to identify any existing problems or potential issues that may require attention or repair. Sprinkler, premium lawn service. $8,500 Sprinkler Premium Lawn Services offers expert irrigation solutions tailored to your lawn's specific needs. With state-of-the-art sprinkler systems, we ensure efficient water distribution for lush green lawns year-round. Our experienced team provides meticulous installation and maintenance, keeping your landscape vibrant and healthy. Experience the ease and beauty of a perfectly watered lawn with Sprinkler Premium Lawn Services. Advanced Solution Service. $199. Experience the pinnacle of our offerings, guaranteeing efficiency and sustainability. Achieve the perfect balance between convenience and conservation with our advanced solutions. This is when we come out every 90 days to calibrate all sprinklers and watering devices connected to your sprinkler system, as well as cleaning or replacing filters. Also, we guarantee our work for as long as you, the property owner, own the property. For any of your lawn or garden watering problems, contact Sprinkler Guy Jerry for the solutions.